Good morning, children. In previous class, we saw some types of bridge as bamboo bridge, cement bridge, trolley bridge, and brick bridge. So, let us continue our chapter. In today's class, I will give short explanation of this lesson. Then, we will perform an activity. After this, we will discuss some questions and I will give some questions for work. Okay, so let us start our chapter. Let us come to page number 4. On this page, there are some questions. First question is there any bridge near your house? Find out more about the bridge. There are two pictures of bridges of Mysore. Can you identify them? Identify them and write their names. Next question is where is the bridge? Over water or a road between two mountains or somewhere else? So these bridges are over water. These bridges are on Kaveri river. So these bridges are over water. Next question is does the bridge seem to be old or it is new? These two bridges are very old. The next question is find out what materials are used in making this bridge. List some of them. The materials used in these bridges are cement, rod, iron and bricks. Now you have to draw a picture of bridge in your notebook. Do not forget to draw the rain, vehicles, animals or people who cross the bridge. Our next topic is Vallam. Vallam is a special kind of boat in Kerala. In some parts of Kerala, children use Vallam. Vallam is a small wooden boat to reach the school. Here are the two images of Vallams. The image shown below is Vallam Kali. Vallam Kali means boat race and it is the traditional boat race in Kerala. Now come to page number 5. Have you seen any other kind of boats? Here are two kinds of boat. One is dinghy and second is personal watercraft boat. You have to find four more kinds of boat. Our next topic is camel cart. Camel carts are generally found in Rajasthan or desert areas. People of Rajasthan live in the desert. There is sand all around. It gets very hot in the day. We ride in camel cart to reach the school. Camels live generally in desert or hot areas. They can live for many days without water and they drink more than 100 liters of water in one time. Besides camel cart, there is another cart which is called as horse cart or tanga. We can also call it as tum-tum gadi. So, have you ever taken a ride in camel cart or horse cart? Next is bullock cart. In bullock cart, generally one or two bulls are tied with a cart as shown in picture. There is one more cart which is buffalo cart. Now come to page number 6. On this page there are some questions. First question is, do you have bullock cart where you live? If you live in village, then you must have a bullock cart. Bullock cart is not generally seen in cities. Next question is, does it have a roof? A bullock cart can be made with a roof and without a roof, as shown in picture. You can see that the above picture is a bullock cart without a roof, whereas the below picture is a bullock cart with a roof. So, bullock carts can be made without roof or with a roof. Now, in the third question, you have to make a drawing of the cart in your notebook. Our next topic is bicycle ride. We ride our bicycle on road to school. At first, girls did not go to school because it was too far. But now, groups of 7 to 8 girls easily ride even through the difficult roads. In the early days, most of the girls do not go to school because the school was very far and they did not have any means of transportation. So, the literacy rate of girls was very low. So, the government decided to give bicycles to the girls so that they can come to school. And this worked. Girls came to school and the literacy rate of girls has improved a lot. Now, there are two questions in this page. First is, can you ride a bicycle? If yes, who taught you to ride? I hope all of you know to ride a bicycle and your papa or mama have taught you to ride the cycle. Next question is, how many children come on bicycles to your school? A lot of children nowadays, everybody can ride a bicycle, so they come to school. You can write few names of the children. Now come to page number 7. This is a picture of Gujarat and the vehicle is Jugaad vehicle. Look at the special transport. It sounds phat 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 when it runs. It is not something special. The front looks like a motorcycle, but the carriage at the back made of planks of wood. So you can see that the front is looks like a motorcycle, or a motorcycle is cut into half and got fit into carriage of a bullock cart. Here are some more examples of Jugaad vehicles. You can see that these are made of using two or more vehicles. I hope you can do these questions. Now, Jugaad has been made by using waste material. Why don't you try to make something by putting together some waste material? So children, this is your activity. You have to make something using waste material. Now we will continue this chapter in our next class. Thank you.